In 2009, some of the U.S.'s leading figures in experimental archaeology and primitive technology formed the Society for Primitive Technologies. 4 years later, this group reorganized into the Society of Experimental Archaeology and Primitive Technology and hosted the first Reconstructive and Experimental Archaeology Conference. In other words, REARC was born. At that time, we joined forces with EXARC, our sister organization in Europe, to provide a common face for experimental and reconstructive archaeology. Today, REARC is North America's premier conference, specifically focused on exploring the past through the use of experimental and reconstructive archaeology. Our conference is held annually in the fall, and while the location has shifted to facilitate new experiences for conference goers, the meetings are typically held in the southern Middle Atlantic U.S. Each year, dozens of academics, students, tradespeople, museum professionals, compliance archaeologists, and other like-minded individuals gather to exchange findings, ideas, and approaches to understanding the past. This unique conference experience blends a day of traditional academic-style presentations with a second day of experimental and experiential learning activities and public outreach in an open-air museum setting.
Can you imagine having a lot of responsibility, having many properties?
Our meetings are intimate, with only one session taking place at a time. This small, personal setting means all conference participants are guaranteed to see and hear every presentation, and presenters can expect feedback on their research from the audience. Conference participants present on a wide variety of topics spanning time and place. Yet each of these studies utilizes experimental or experiential methods to engage these topics.
The disadvantage of an ad is that you have to change sides all the time. I'll put it, of course, on the chopping block so that you guys can see and hear. If I pound this in, this one takes all the stress, and this one can come out, so I can reuse that. And you see, thickness is really good. It's okay. It's not going to reach that one. It'll probably pop out here somewhere. But still, that will save me quite some chopping. And like I said, better safe than sorry. Splitting is for Stone Age woodworking. I think is crucial.
What just happened?
Okay, so for anybody who's curious, there's a lump of glass that just came.
This is fascinating. Just donating it to a good person. You have a very nice collection.
You can't have
It's not going yet.
it goes suddenly. When it goes, it goes.
Or is it like boiling water? As long as you look.
It's like the Titanic going down when it goes. Once you've got a pool of molten tin,
So right now,
I mean, I'm assuming it's tin rather than lead. If it's lead, it'll need a few more degrees.
Well, then you can't wear it.
Details, schmeetails. You sound like my wife. You can't smell the lead. That channel.
So I can see how that whole bronze is better than tin works out, because that yellow glow is just spooks me.
Have like a replica one. But he can see people for the whole day all the way
Yep,
down.
still not going.
And where you actually rake the coal.
Prop it against.
Need a little more clay around the base of it.
No, it should be okay. No, it's okay. So, there's not much of a pouring lip on this, so I'm not sure how.
now we're going to do Genius.
Just keep them pouring because I just want to make sure that pouring cup on top. Look how. Oh, you just get a little bit of drops left in at the end.
Yeah.
So how much did you spoil?
It went over the side, but it's fine. As soon as it's solidified, it'll be
As long as you
good
just take it off and,
Yeah.
and use it again.
and it'll look nice.
REARC is more than a conference. We hold our annual meetings in partnership with some of Eastern North America's premier historical sites and museums. Since its inception, REARC has been held at the Scheele Museum of Natural History, Colonial Williamsburg, the Center for Historic Preservation at the University of Mary Washington, and the historic Ferry Farm site. Day 2 of the conference involves an entire day dedicated to public-facing, hands-on presentations led by some of the world's most skilled practitioners of the past. For example, REARC participants have demonstrated flint knapping, bronze smelting, iron smelting, Viking bead making,
If you can't get the pincher around it, just pinch your toes right there.
Back in,
It'll just
the
smash
heat
the clay.
until it kind of melts and evens. And
That's exactly the next steps. Once you get a basic bead, then you start with the fancier beads.
maize nixtamalization, ancient approaches to cooking, fiber technology, hide tanning, atlatl throwing, traditional archery, ancient gaming, and much, much more. Conference participants get to learn new skills from each other while sharing their passions with the public. We hope to see you there.